Alright, it's December 27th. I'm on my way to check on Baluku. I noticed that he's over by Trinity. I got some donations to drop off for him. Got a blanket from Rest on Christmas. They gave me some stuff. And, oh lordy, there's all ice underneath the snow. I got a blanket from Rest that I'm dropping off for him. And some clothes for my nephew. Some warm clothes. And I'm also leaving him a snack bag. I don't just not help somebody if they're not here. So I'm leaving him a snack bag, a blanket from Rest, some nice heavy duty pants, a sweater, and a thick flannel shirt. And as you see, Baluku stuff is still here. And he was supposed to get helped like what, more than 2 weeks ago. This breaks my heart. And I just want to point out to you, there's the park, right? Sonny's crying because I left him down there. Hold on, walking on ice here. Woo! Hold on, Sonny. Right here. Literally, right next door to St. Mary's. I have shown you guys a lot of empty places. So right here, literally next door to St. Mary's. There's this place, and it has no curtains, no nothing. It looks empty, and there's 3 floors right here. I don't know what the situation was with this place, but I don't see, there's no cars in the driveway, there's boards on the window. You know, it's across the street from where people are literally, you know, freezing to death, getting stuck on the ground. I mean, we got all these things so close to where these people are freezing to death. I showed you guys before another building that's literally across the street. There was a big article about how they're relocating the police department at some point. Something about a new lease for the police department. So like, okay. So what we're gonna do with that building when they relocate? Are we gonna give it to the homeless people? You know, when are we gonna start talking about the homeless people instead of spending all this money on things that we already have? We have a police department, you know. We don't have shelters. Also, it's like, look, my husband's he's there with his feet trying to break the ice for Baluku and make a path for him. There's all ice, and he's there he's scraping the stairs trying to make a path for him. Horrible. All right, well, I did wind up coming out later. I'm about an hour. Let me see. Yeah, I started about an hour later than usual today. So I might not see my regulars, but to be continued if I do. I didn't see you guys yesterday. I mean, Christmas.
The shelter was open. I'd love to get.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on Christmas and Thanksgiving, they keep the shelter open.
Oh, so that no one has to leave?
Yeah.
Oh.
If you want to leave, you can leave.
I mean, yeah, but why would you, right?
Yeah, well, you're just like, like one of the staff left their Xbox and let us use their Netflix and all that. So
Oh.
we just got to sit, chill, watch some movies and all
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We came out on Christmas. Did you want anything today? Okay. All right, I'm over here chit chat. You want some socks?
Yes, she definitely does.
I got hospital socks.
You want? Yeah, of course. Let's see what I got. Here, a pair for you and your girl.
Ooh.
You want some socks too?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone stole my cheese and tobacco last night. It doesn't surprise me. I'm in Lewiston. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are those Jordan?
Woo! Sorry. Gloves.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, Chris left his glove.
Yeah, Crystal.
Oh, I actually have a girly one today. I got a girly one for you. Look at that. Matching hat and gloves. You want some gloves? I keep forgetting. What's your name?
Glovies.
What's your name? Devin. I said
I'll take
Darren.
those gray ones.
I called you Darren. I was close. I'm getting there.
Evin.
Devin.
Hey, meathead. You want to play my stuffy?
You need some
I
gloves?
appreciate you.
Aw.
He really is too. You don't want
Thank you for what you do.
I
Thank
really
you for what
love
you
you
do
guys.
out here. I really do appreciate what you do out here.
You're welcome.
He's scared of it.
What? All the. You need a razor?
Dude, you can eat this.
I got garlic this time. You want a razor?
You got hygiene?
I got
I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone.
I got razor, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste.
Razors. And like,
He's like, what?
Oh yeah, I still don't have any. I don't have any napkin things yet.
whatever those are.
All right, now. You mean the pads? The pads? That's women's pads.
No, she wants to experience.
Toothbrush?
Baby. Let me grab some more.
Toothbrush?
Toothbrush?
Yeah, somebody donated that. Cause I get donations.
Oh, it is too. Jailhouse shit.
No, it is.
Jailhouse shit.
Really? That's from Amazon.
Jail, same shit.
That's from Amazon.
Yeah.
Those toothbrushes and toothpaste. How about soap? I got soap.
Oh, yeah. I will take the palm off.
All right. Now about some snacks. Snack?
Ask her.
You want?
Want any snacks, baby?
Yeah, I missed Trinity this morning, so.
Nicole.
Nicole, you want snack back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll just shovel this. How about cup of soup? Cup of soup?
Oh, she loves those cup of soup.
All right. Good stuff. Say it again. Darren? Devin. Hey, I was so close.
It's always the same thing every time. You always call me Darren.
I'm getting there. I'm getting close though.
It's
Hey,
Devin.
you be happy
I'm
that
just-
she's asking you what your name
Hold
is
on,
and not
let's
me.
hear it. Say Devin.
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 But you should be proud of me. I almost know everyone's names outside. Do you know how hard it? Listen,
How
I'm so bad
I
with
know
names.
everybody out here and I can't remember people's names.
This is some real shit. Can you imagine being homeless, bro? And people
You've
are
never seen Big
robbing
Trouble in
you?
Little China?
You have already nothing. You have no place, no fucking
Yes.
life, nothing.
You've seen it?
People are
Yes.
stealing from you anyway.
Yes.
I just had that happen to me last night.
That's the worst. Like,
That
when you
is
wake
the
up and you're like,
Yeah, you gotta go to
You
the
know,
bathroom.
you don't
and
want-
you're
you know,
homeless.
okay,
So you have
that's
to go
the worst
find a
thing.
spot
Okay,
to
you're
go.
Not having a
Well,
shower,
yeah.
and not having a toilet.
Yeah. Wash
The
your
worst thing for
clothes.
me.
I'm glad to see you guys. I
Thank you
love
guys
you
again.
all.
Thank you for your service. I mean, I know that's usually said to veterans, but you guys are doing shit for us that, like I was just telling him, nobody out here, even the people that know us that are our friends and acquaintances, aren't treating us like that. They're robbing us. Like, that's just fuckery, man. blows my mind how people. I was just talking to my friend about that last night when I was drinking with her.
Fucking spill it.
You know what I said to her? I said, you know what blows my mind the most about humans? It's the way we treat each other.
Or don't
Shitty.
treat each other.
No. It's the way we treat each other. It's the pretty much, and I'm just gonna give you the bottom line of it. The way we just basically me. It's all about you and not the other person.
Problem in our society is because you look a certain way, you are gonna be a certain
Yeah,
way.
he doesn't.
I don't even think
It's
it's
just sad. I don't know. I just sad how people treating each other now, man. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
and I agree.
Why?
It's the same aspect, but I'm just saying, like,
Take it easy. You too.
Bye, Devin.
No, you got it.
Your man's so funny.
What did you call him? Darren?
No, I said Devin.
No, but what
Oh, Darren.
Darren. I'm gonna call him that.
Darren.
He said at least he's calling you the wrong name and not me.
Right?
I'm gonna call him Darren. He's like, who's Darren? Oh boy.
Yeah, I got a couple donation jackets in here. You could look and see. I might have 2 or 3. I'm not sure. You could try it, see which one fits you better.
What is up with these socks? Now I left with no socks on and my friend's slippers on. And not my winter boots.
All right, hold on. Yeah. All right, let me see, because I don't know what bag has what. Give me 1 second. All right. All right. All right, here's one. This is one jacket that was given to me. That's one. I'll just show you and you pick the one you want. Here's another one. And got one more that was given to me. Or this one.
I think this one.
The red one?
Yeah, I like this one, but it won't be big enough for later
Okay.
on. They gave me this one at St. Mary's this morning because they didn't know if I even had shoes
Oh my
or
goodness.
anything to leave with because I couldn't
Yeah, I
remember. This guy just had a bad seizure and said I had 6.
Oh
days
no, you
before.
have seizures too?
Yeah.
Oh,
So she said
Jesus.
you have another one 'cause I had 6 of them in like a 3-hour period. Not yesterday, the day before.
Oh my
So
God.
it said you have another one and I'm calling. I had one last night.
Oh no.
So she called. And I'm just like,
want a
I'm not
scarf?
even gonna argue with you guys anymore. I'll just go. Whatever.
scarf?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
They were gonna give me shoes and everything, but she's like, let me go look at your property. And for some reason, I had my friend's slippers.
Well, now you got some socks in here. I don't have any shoes. No shoes have been given to me. But you want another blanket?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
And I gave the rest of the stuff.
Thank you
You're
so
welcome,
much.
Mama. I gave your boyfriend socks and
Okay.
gloves and hats and razors and all that good stuff.
All right.
And he got soups. He said you like the soups, so I stuck
love
like
the
3 or
soup.
4 of them in his bag.
Bye.
All right. Well, you guys be safe.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you so much.
All right. Stay warm, Mama.
God.
All right. See you later. Hold on, Sonny. Christopher, you want any snack bag or anything? Any socks, gloves, hats? Any luck on the scratch ticket?
Nothing.
Nothing? Aw. Why did you move from over there? They moved you?
No, I'm just kind of getting out of the way.
Oh. How's Glenn? Have you seen Glenn?
As far as I know, he's still sitting over on the bench.
No. They said he's been missing for days. He's not over there.
I have no idea.
Oh, yeah, he hasn't been there for days. I gotta go check right now if he's there, but I checked on him the other day. They said he's been gone for days.
No idea what happened.
No? His stuff is still there. Somebody named Josh is watching his stuff. Josh or something like that.
Yeah, he's around.
Oh. So you don't want anything today? Cup of soup, juice, gloves, hat, razor, toothbrush, toothpaste.
No, I'm pretty good.
You sure? All right. Well, I'll come check on you tomorrow or something. All right, bye, Chris. Babe, I'll be right back.
A whole bunch of snow in front of the water.
Ugh. I'm gonna go check and see if Glenn's over there. Why is the car not locking?
Funny. It's a little cold, dude.
We're gonna go check on Glenn. And then we'll head over to Walmart. Yeah, I see. Then we'll head over to Walmart. And that's it. I see they got Glenn's chair open. That Gossy boy. Hi, hey. Still no Glenn? No Glenn still?
Nope. Hasn't been back yet.
No word about Glenn?
Nope.
Still?
Nothing.
Oh my God. Should we be
Yeah, my
concerned
buddy.
about this?
Well, I'm hoping he went to the hospital. Hey, buddy.
And you're still watching his stuff?
Yeah, he's been cleaning it up. All those bags right there, he's been cleaning up quite a bit.
Wow.
And make it look better if he cleans it up